Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to share with you this beautiful keychain design I have created using stunning orange yellow palette with a touch of reddish tone. A palette mostly known as my pumpkin palette. Last Saturday I shared a dot mandala journal design. So if you missed that, be sure to check out my previous video for some inspiration. And guess what? I created a coaster using the same color palette, a bookmark and a tea light holder. So you can see how versatile these colors can be for different projects. In today's video, I'll be sharing you how to create a custom mix color palette perfect for achieving just the right shade for your dot mandala art. It's such a fun and creative process. I'm sure you're gonna like it. So let's dive right in and start mixing colors. How wonderful that was. So here are all the colors that I have used. Are you worrying that you don't have these colors? Perfect colors with you? Custom mixing is about not having the perfect color. You can create this using any acrylic colors of white, yellow, orange, and red. The colors are so wonderful. You mix any two colors, you at every time I used to get different colors. No color mixing is same to my previous one. So here is a wonderful keychain that I created using this color palette. Hope you like my video. Do subscribe to my channel. Do create this and tag me My Instagram account is Creations by Sulagna. Hope you follow me. Love to hear from you. Write to me. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.